Here we see the shark in its most laziest state. He will continue watching YouTubers that are greater than him, like Zofunoy, in the hopes that one day he could surpass them. Oh, I'm sorry. Well, hello. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. If you do not know who I am, I probably forgive you because it's been 5 damn months. 5 months without a video, 5 months with no explanation. Well, the truth is, I've been undergoing some metamorphosis. Yeah. I'm just kidding, guys. It's been 5 months. Really, really long. So basically, the story behind that is that my phone broke down. My phone was the only thing I was using for YouTube at the time, and yeah, this was my phone. So yeah, finally I got a new phone, thanks to my parents believing me. Now I have a gaming PC also, so we will be gaming, we will be having tutorials. I know it is the first vid of 2019, but there is more coming. There's more coming this week. There's more coming, dude. There's just so much more coming. But as you saw in the title, I'll just remove my ugly face real quick. As you saw in the title, my first ever game in Unity. It's not really a game. It's more of a what's that? What do you call that thing? A prototype. It's a prototype. So basically, I'm studying game development right now, and we're given a project to create a game that is sort of a Angry Birds replica. As you can see, this looks nothing like Angry Birds because I just thought, living in the crazy mind of Shaka_King, but I just thought it'd be nice if I just didn't add a cannon. I mean, everyone was making a cannon, so I made a tank, and on the tank I used mini Earths. You can call it planet Earths as my bullets for this tank game, and really, I honestly believe this is much better than a stupid Angry Birds replica. So I think I'll probably have the best assignment. We'll probably have another vid where I just discuss the results with you. But yeah, basically, if you do Blender, you'd notice these are mini Suzannes, and sorry, excuse me, all of this was made through Blender. All of these weapons and cars, as you can see, there's some noise texture and all of that. But basically, yeah, this is my first game, and I'm looking forward to completing it. It has 3 levels so far. There is my level 1, this is level 2, this is level 3, and yeah, really, I'm really looking forward to finishing this game. This potentially might be my first game. So if you do see it pop up on Steam, please do not hesitate to download. It will only cost $6,000. $6,000 for somebody who put in all his work, all his effort into this one indie game. $6,000. I'm just kidding. It almost probably be a free game. That's my first game. So just to show you how it works, you move around with the home and end buttons, basically left and right buttons, that you shoot with the space bar there, as you can see there. And yeah, so guys, seriously, it's been so long, I don't even know what to tell you guys. It's just, I've experienced life. I'm in college now. I just finished high school. So yeah, I'm like right around Quadeka's age. I mean, I am really looking forward to making more videos for you guys. But this is just a video to show you that anybody can make a game. I will be making videos and tutorials during the semester break. I'm writing my exams this week, and yeah, we'll just go through making games. Not even just making games. I mean, I've been making album covers for people. There's just been a whole lot of positives. I've just been catching W's, guys. I've been catching W's, and yeah, I just really hope I can come back and it'll be a success. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this really short, one of my shortest vids ever. Oh my god, one of my shortest vids ever. I hope you guys really enjoyed that. But yeah, just like and subscribe. Tell your friends that yo, Shaka is back. And yeah, I've been holding this one back, but I actually had a name change during these past 5 months. But yeah, you'll just see it in the next vid. I don't want to ruin it for you guys. You'll just see it in the next vid. Most probably this week, there'll be a game, a Ring of Elysium game. That game, guys, is amazing. Hands down, from one designer to another. It is the best battle royale I've ever played because it's so unique. I mean, it's so unique. I'll have a whole video where I'm explaining how the game works, what's its mechanics. But basically, I'll be a full-out Ring of Elysium guy, and also FIFA. I finally got FIFA 19 for my PC. I'm just waiting for the controller to drop, PC controller to drop, and I'll be playing FIFA also. And yeah, we'll be whooping these guys' butts. But yeah, if you like the video, just like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.